Welcome, and let me introduce you how I build an entirely intranet with N8N and Notion. Focus is the control center for everyday tasks, planning, tracking, and discussing tasks. Everyone sees what concerns them using a RACI approach: responsible, accountable, informed, and consulted. Focus is designed to be both a personal and collaborative space for advancing your tasks and managing those of your teams. You can work from Kanban or calendar views. Supervisor sections are implemented for greater authorization and management. Users do not work on databases, but on a modern, automated interface. The back end is automated with N8N. It can create complex tasks quickly and be customized to your team's needs. Workflows can be triggered by a user, your deadlines, or scheduled. Combining automations boosts your use of the platform and reduce the micromanagement. Configure your AI agent, a dedicated employee who will consult and plan the tasks you are responsible for. It will take your authorization level into account. Ask it for follow-ups or reports on actions to be taken to assist you in your decisions. Thanks for watching. With Notion and N8N, this project helps structure processes, automate monitoring, and leverage AI to save time on a daily basis.